Hi, and welcome to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute. Wait, this isn't a 1 minute make, this is just Jeff playing with stuff. That's a good name for this series. I think that we'll call it Jeff Playing with Stuff. On this episode of Jeff Playing with Stuff, we're going to make another shirt for Disneyland. The character I wanted wasn't available on the Cricut design store, so I used Google and found an image of the character I wanted. The SVG was so messy it was unusable, so I had to have Kate help me clean it up. She actually did the whole thing for me. I just kind of pretended like I wanted to know how to do it. She did an amazing job, and this file cut out perfect. I'm so happy with how it turned out. So Robin Hood is my favorite character. I love the movie, and I am always on the lookout for any Robin Hood merchandise, but you never see Robin Hood merchandise at Disneyland. You're lucky if you can find Robin Hood pins. Oh my goodness, don't get me started on Robin Hood pins. I seriously am obsessed with them. I have way too many. So Robin Hood, one of the reasons that I love it so much, other than it was one of my favorite ones growing up, is several years ago when we were going to Disneyland all the time when the kids were younger, Oliver was probably 4 years old, and he was so funny. He would sit and sing, and I could get him to sing these Robin Hood songs with me. He knew all the words, and it was the cutest thing ever. I seriously miss that. Another funny thing that used to always happen was we would joke about how if anyone needed a tour guide, all they had to do was take Oliver. If we weren't heading in the direction of the ride he wanted to go on, he knew. It was really funny how well he knew his way around the park. And then there was the time Owen got a frozen fruit bar, and the first thing the cast members tell you is, these are really cold, wait till they warm up a little bit before you try and eat it. So we started walking, and pretty soon we heard this noise, and guess what he had done? Stuck the frozen fruit bar right to his tongue. There was nothing to do, we couldn't get it off. The only thing I could think of was I had just gotten a Diet Coke, and I dumped the Diet Coke all over his tongue, and it got it off, but then there was frozen Diet Coke all over this fruit bar. It's pretty funny now, but I don't think I was very amused at the time. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this shirt, because I had a good time making it. But I'm not the person you need to watch to learn things from. I just watch Kate do things, and then that's how I learn how to do them. So if you enjoyed watching Jeff Plays with Stuff, leave a comment and let me know what you think. I'll keep looking and see if I can find anything else I want to play with. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching me play with stuff.